So this screen capture is for doing a painting in Adobe Photoshop, changing the look of it. Now, image that we want, now I have this one here, double tap, and there it is there. Now I want to crop it and straighten it up. So I can go to my crop tool and rotate it. Then drag out so that it is the size that I want. So I'll get rid of the edges. Hit enter, and that will crop it down. Now while I'm in my crop tool, notice that there's a little bit left on the side, so I can continue, crop in. That will be fine for now. I can fix it later if I need to. So I have a picture there open. Now I'm going to use my other filter, my favourite filter, the Camera Raw filter. Shift Control A, Camera Raw filter. That'll open it up in another box with slider bars down the side. Now I'm just going to go through these. Now I've used a limited palette. I'm going to play with the blues, heighten the blues a bit, heighten the greens a bit. I'm going to take the exposure down a little bit. Now each one of these you just play with, experiment till you get what you like the look of. I'm going to make that a bit harsher in the contrast. I'm going to bring the highlights down a bit and take the shadows down a bit. Scroll down. I'm going to make the white a little less white, the blacks a little darker. I want some texture in this, so I'm going to push the texture because I painted on canvas. Clarity, that will help with that as well. So I'm going to push the clarity up so you can see, I can see more of the grain of the canvas. Dehaze would soften that, but I'm going to actually just dehaze it a little bit. Now I can push my colours a bit more, and I can even push my saturation a bit more. So I'll say I'm happy with that and hit OK. And remember, if we hit the Control Z key, we just keep on tapping. That was what it was before, and that's what it's like now. I'm happy with that, so I'm going to work with that. And that will be the background. Now I'm going to just check its image size. Alt Control I. And I'm happy with that. That's the actual size. That's how big it is. So